Do you want to remember how you met somebody, or what service they were interested in, or even what time zone they're in? Well, in Google Contacts, each person has a notes section, so you can add whatever additional details you want to go with that person. Just go to Edit Contact, either by hovering over the contact name and going over to the right-hand side and clicking on this pen icon, or by clicking on the contact itself and going to Edit up in the top right corner here. Then just scroll down and you will see a notes section here, this notes box. Now if you don't see it, you might see a button instead that says Add Notes. You just click on there to open the notes box. So these notes are private and they stay with the contact, even if you sync them to your phone. You can use it to remember client preferences, follow-up dates, or even their pet's name. Once you're done, just click Save and the note will be saved with that particular contact. Whilst we're here, a little extra bonus tip for you is when you're in the contact itself, if you add a birthday to the contact here, just click on Add Birthday. Scroll down to the birthday section, which is here, and just put in their birthday. I'm just making one up here. I wish I was born in 1982, but I'm way older than that. So if we click Save, once you've added a birthday to this particular contact, it will now show in your Google Calendar. Okay, so if we come out of there, go back to the main contacts page, so it updates. And now if we go into Google Calendar, and if we go to the 19th of August, which is here, you can see that the Google contact has added in the birthday. If you don't see it there, make sure that the birthdays option underneath My Calendars over here on the left-hand side, just make sure that that is checked and birthdays will appear in your calendar. So keep an eye out for more quick tip videos about Google Contacts, including a workaround of how to customize the columns so you see the exact information that you want to see. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.